Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on Instagram that allows you to send stickers to a group on your PC. This feature enhances your messaging experience, making it more fun and interactive. Let's get started with the steps. First, open Instagram on your PC. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to explore the new features available at your fingertips. Next, look for the messages icon on the left menu. This icon resembles an envelope or speech bubble and is your gateway to all your direct messages. Click on it to proceed. Now, it's time to find the group you want to send a sticker to. Scroll through your conversations or use the search bar to locate the specific group chat. Once you've found it, click on the group to open the conversation. In the message box at the bottom of the chat window, you'll see an icon for stickers. This is typically represented by a smiley face or a square with a smiley inside. Click on this icon to reveal a variety of sticker options. Finally, choose the sticker you want to send by clicking on it. Once selected, it will automatically be sent to the group chat. Your friends will see it pop up in their conversation instantly, adding a fun element to your group discussions. And there you have it. Sending stickers in a group chat on Instagram from your PC is that simple. This new update not only makes communication more engaging, but also allows for creative expression among friends. Enjoy using this feature and have fun sharing stickers with your groups.